Hey y'all, check this out. Bitcoin sitting at $29,466. Ethereum going to $1,700. Still falling off a cliff. I know there was hope today, guys. I know there was hope. Bitcoin shot up. It was over 30,000. People were like, yes, it's happening. And I knew this was the bottom. I don't think so, guys. I do not think so. I think we are in for a good pullback, a healthy pullback. And I think that's the way we have to think about it when we're looking at the markets. Pullbacks are healthy. Anything that shoots up and just shoots up forever and there's no retracement, there's no pullback, that's when you want to be cautious, because that's considered typically a pump and dump. Healthy markets have healthy pullbacks. That's what we're seeing right now with Bitcoin, ultimately within most crypto projects in the marketplace. Looking at crypto bubbles, nothing but red in any coin whatsoever. There are a few positive, but no double digits, which is actually a good thing. When you see those double digit gains when everything else is red, get out if you're in. Okay, get out if you're in, but also be cautious, because typically healthy projects or projects that are going to be around long term that we've seen do move with Bitcoin. Okay, not only with Bitcoin, but they move with the market. So if everything's red, your project 9 times out of 10 should be red as well. But looking at the fear greed index, 15, a lot of fear. Last week was 16, last month was 18, yesterday was 13, and I think we got a little bit of pump, those 2-point pumps, which went from 13 to 15 yesterday, was because of that burst up and everyone thought, yes, this is the bottom, it's happening. No, it's not. We're still heading down, and we should be heading down towards midterm elections. November, December is something to be mindful of, but there's really blood on the streets, and I think there's more pain to be experienced within the markets. But these are opportunity days, and I know we're coming on here, we're talking about crypto. It's not the most exciting thing to talk about, but markets like this is where millions are made. Opportunity is made. People that are start with 5 figures, turn it into 6 figures. People that start with 3 figures, turn it into 4 or 5 figures. These are when the gains happen. Times like this. The gains don't happen when we're looking at the crypto fear greed index and it's over here in the green and it's at 80 and it's all time high and people are driving Lambos and saying yes. That's not when the massive profits are made. That's not when the massive profits are really realized, because then by the time we reach green, it's too late. You missed the wave. When we're over here in the red, when there's extreme fear in the market, that is when the massive gains happen. We've seen it time and time again, not only with us, but also with people that we know, people that we work with, people that are colleagues within the crypto space, being in crypto full time since 2018. This is what we see every single time. The market cycle is holding tried and true. Bitcoin is pulling back, which is healthy, and we'll go over that tomorrow on Technical Tuesday. Just want to dive in here and kind of give you guys a little bit of hope, let you know that these markets do not last forever. When I say that, I mean that quality projects in bear markets, when you see all red, this does not last forever. This is a season. This is a cycle. This is a part of the market cycle. Every 4 years, we deal with the same thing. The last market, you're only, really, be honest with you, you're only like 2 market cycles away from millions. Just to be honest with you. Every time this happens, if you get through 2 bear market cycles and you play it right, you do your homework, you stay conservative, stay small, and ultimately, become a professional in the space. Use red days as buying opportunities, hold long term, think big picture. That has been the strategy that has created more millionaires in the crypto space than than the world has ever seen, in my opinion. Look at the gains between stocks and crypto, which we're going to be talking about very soon. The correlation between stocks and crypto, and what that looks like when we're looking at taking a little bit of money and applying that little bit of money to have massive gains. And we'll go through the analysis and the breakdown between the two. But just wanted to give you guys some hope. Want to stop in. Not a lot going in the market, but I am expecting a huge breakdown to the bottom, like I've been talking about every Technical Tuesday. We'll dive in that tomorrow. Hope you guys got some value and keep moving forward in everything that you do. And we'll see you soon.